Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on your computer. The primary method involves using an Android emulator, which creates a virtual mobile environment right on your desktop. This allows you to download and run mobile games and apps just as you would on a phone or tablet. It's a straightforward process that opens up a world of mobile gaming on a much larger screen, offering enhanced control and a more immersive experience. Choosing the right emulator is key for a great experience. Take a moment to research options like BlueStacks or Nox Player, considering your computer's specifications. Once you've made your choice, visit the emulator's official website to download the installer. Always use official sources to ensure security and proper functionality. The installation process is typically guided by clear on-screen prompts, making it quite simple to set up. With your emulator installed, the next step is to get Clash Royale running. Launch the emulator and you'll typically be prompted to sign in with your Google account, which is essential for accessing the Play Store. Once signed in, navigate to the Google Play Store within the emulator, search for Clash Royale, and then simply download and install it. This process mirrors how you would install any app on an Android phone. Now that Clash Royale is installed, it's time to optimize your gameplay. Most emulators offer robust key mapping features, allowing you to assign keyboard keys and mouse clicks for precise card deployment and spell casting. You can also tweak emulator settings to ensure smooth performance and crisp graphics, often at a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Enjoy the strategic advantage of a larger display and more responsive controls for every battle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.